Let's be honest, editing a homily video can feel overwhelming. You didn't go to seminary to become a video editor, but at the same time, you know that if your homilies don't look and sound clear, people will just scroll right past instead of listening. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we edit homily videos and social media clips. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact tools and steps to cut, enhance, and format your homilies so that they're clear, professional, and easy for people to watch. The first step is simple. You import your full-length video into your editing software and just cut out your homily. The software that we recommend using to edit your videos is DaVinci Resolve. We use the paid version, but there's also a free version available. It has everything in one place, but it does have a learning curve. Next is Canva. It's simple and beginner-friendly, and another software would be CapCut because it's free and easy to use on basically any device. Step 2 would be to transcribe the audio to speed up the editing process. Before we do any major edits, we always transcribe your homily because it makes it easier to see the structure of your message and find key moments that mark where to cut and where to enhance your video. Tools for transcription is DaVinci Resolve has a built-in transcription feature, but if you're not using that, you can use YouTube's auto transcription feature. If your video is already uploaded to YouTube, it will automatically generate a transcription. Another software is otter.ai. It's free for short transcriptions, and Descript is also a good option. You have to pay for it, but it's extremely accurate. I prefer to do things in DaVinci Resolve because everything is in one place, but you can use one of the other tools to quickly generate a transcript for easier editing. Step 3 is to enhance your audio. Most people will tolerate low quality video, but they won't tolerate bad audio. If your homily is too quiet or has background noise, people will stop watching. And here's how to fix that in seconds. Number 1 would just be to adjust it in DaVinci. But if you're not using that, you can use a software like CapCut or iMovie because they have an auto enhance feature. And another great software is to use Adobe Podcast Enhance. It's a free AI tool that'll boost clarity and remove background noise. We've also put together a free guide with links to all of the best free and paid tools for editing your homilies. You can download it below so that you always have it handy. Step 4 would be marking your social media clips. Now you want to watch your homily from start to finish and mark any moments that would make a great short form clip. These are usually a strong statement that stands alone, a compelling question, a bold or controversial take, or a heartfelt moment. Once you mark your clips, you're ready for the next step. Step 5 is to format and edit your social media clips. You want to make sure you change the aspect ratio to a vertical video. This is for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. Next is to add captions for people that watch on mute. I use a free plugin called Snap Captions for DaVinci because it's more customizable, but DaVinci also has a built-in subtitles feature that works really well. Other great tools that you can use for animated captions would be CapCut or the Captions app. Another thing that we add to our videos is to make sure the speaker stays centered. I use DaVinci's face tracking tool to get this job done. Next is to add a compelling hook to the start of your video. I use ChatGPT to generate one from the transcript. Lastly is to end with branding and a call to action. An example would be to encourage your viewers to watch your full-length homily. If you have a hard time coming up with titles, hooks, captions, all of that kind of stuff, I've made a free ChatGPT prompt guide for titles, hooks, captions, hashtags, and follow-up comments. It uses your video's transcript, so it's tailor-made exactly to your video. If you want it, you can download it below. And if you have a hard time coming up with call to actions, we've done all the hard work for you by coming up with an idea guide for specifically Catholic call to actions that you can use. Step 6 would be to export and review your social media clips. The best export settings and resolution is 1080p. It's high quality, but it's not too large, and the format would be for MP4 because it works on all platforms. You want to make sure you have your file name as the year, then month, then date, then homily title with a dash, and then if you're doing multiple clips, do clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and so on, so you can find it later. And if you need a little refresher on how to name your social media clips properly, we have our free social media naming guide below. Now, step 7 is moving on to your full-length homily edit. Now we want to go back to your full-length homily and add the best social media clip at the beginning to hook your audience in. You can add final enhancements like effects, zoom-ins, sound effects, camera shake, music, dramatic filters, and all of that kind of stuff to really spice it up. Again, you can use our ChatGPT prompt guide to generate your video title, captions, and hashtags for your full-length video as well. And if you really want to take it up a notch, you can add branding and a lower thirds title. And lastly, a call to action. If you need help coming up with ideas, we have our ideas guide linked below. The last step is to export the final version and review for any glitches. So just to recap, here are the steps. Cut your homily from a full-length YouTube video, transcribe the audio for faster editing, enhance the audio quality, mark your video for great social media clip opportunities, then format and edit social media clips, and lastly, export and review. In the next video, we'll show you how to create professional thumbnails that actually get clicks. See you there.